Hello guys, welcome to my kitchen. You see this jollof? This is not your usual jollof. Oh. This one is healthy and very good for weight loss because it was made with a very low carb rice that will help you, or that you can still enjoy while you try to lose weight. Do you get it? So we are going to go through this recipe and just give it a try. But before then, subscribe if you have not yet done so. Click on the bell icon, like, share, and leave a comment. And so I have my oil, coconut oil. I added my onions to it. I'm going to add a blended mixture of pepper, onion, garlic, ginger, natural mixed spices to it. Let it cook for some time, and then we are checking on it. And I'm going to add my sliced tomatoes to it, and also tomato paste to it. Please like and share this video. Click on the bell icon so that whenever I upload a new video, you will be notified. Do you get it? Okay, so let's go on. And so like I said, this jollof is good for weight loss. It's a low carb rice. The calories is very minimal compared to our usual rice. I'm going to add my seasoning and salt to it, and this is fish powder, dried herrings, then I grinded into powder. Okay, added some water to it. Just cover, give it time for it to cook very well. Okay, so we are going to make use of this bulgur wheat. This is a low carb rice made from wheat, and I'm going to use less than 1 cup of it. So this is how it looks like. This is very healthy. It helps in weight loss. You can use it for salad. I'm trying to take some of the sauce from it, so I took some of the sauce, I scooped some, and this is the quantity of the rice that I'm using. I used less than 1 cup. Okay, and I just added 1 cup of water, and that is it. Now if you are cooking bulgur wheat as a plain rice, then you will need 2 cups of water to 1 cup of the bulgur wheat. But because I'm making it in a jollof form, and the jollof is already has moisture in it, sorry, the sauce already has moisture in it, I used 1 cup of water. Do you get it? And this is it. So I'm going to cover with a parchment paper and then lower the heat and give it time for it to cook very well. Okay, we are checking on it, and our rice is ready, but we're going to add some vegetables to it. So you see how it looks. Yes, add some onions and bell peppers to it. Okay, and I'm going to add green peas also to it, and I'll cover for some 2 to 3 minutes, and then everything will be ready. Please like and share this video for me, leave a comment. And so as I said, this kind of rice is good for weight loss. You can still enjoy it. Okay, so we are going to have some salad, some simple salad, and these are the vegetables we are using: avocados, boiled eggs, spring onions, sliced onions, lettuce, cabbage, carrots, bell pepper, sardine, baked beans, mayonnaise. So I have my mixing bowl ready, and I'm going to add all my vegetables to the bowl. You can use any vegetable you want, and I'm going to sprinkle some salt on it. And then I'm also going to add my onions, spring onions, and the sliced onions to it. Stir everything together, and I'm going to add my sardine also to it. So I added the lettuce also. I'm going to add my sardine to it, and then I'll add my mayonnaise to it. Okay, and then mix everything together. I'm going to add my boiled eggs and my avocados also. Then I'll add some of the baked beans also to it. Yes. This is it. So we are going to check on our rice. It's finally ready to be enjoyed. Yes, our burger with jollof. This is it. You see, looking all scrumptious, very tasty and very healthy as well. Okay, so we are going to serve this with some salad. Yes, I'm going to add my salad to it. Please like and share this video. Make sure you get this. If you want to lose weight and still enjoy some rice, you can go for this burger wheat. You can use it for salad and anything. So this is it. You see, ready. And this was very simple. The taste was awesome, very great. Just give it a try and you're going to love it. Okay, and so guys, thank you so much for always watching me. God bless you. If you are watching me and you have not yet subscribed, do well to subscribe for me, like and share this video, and watch out for another scrumptious recipe. Bye bye.